Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Gladiator tailgate. First, ensure you have the right tools, specifically a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet. Begin by opening your tailgate to a full 90-degree angle. This provides optimal access to the hinge bolts. You'll find 2 hinge bolts on the driver's side of the tailgate, which are the first components we need to address. Now, using your T50 Torx bit and ratchet, carefully unscrew the 2 bolts from the driver's side hinge. Once those are loose, move to the passenger side. Here, you'll find the electrical harness. Gently disconnect it to avoid any damage. Finally, detach the tailgate's retaining strap from its mounting point, usually a small clip or pin. These steps prepare the tailgate for full removal. With all connections detached, it's time to lift the tailgate. This is a 2-person job, so grab a friend. Carefully lift the tailgate straight up and off its hinges. Make sure the electrical harness and retaining strap are completely clear and won't snag. Once removed, store your tailgate in a safe, flat location, perhaps on a blanket, to prevent any scratches or damage. To reinstall, simply reverse the process. With help, align the tailgate hinges and carefully lower it back into position. Reconnect the electrical harness on the passenger side and secure the retaining strap. Then, reinsert and tighten the 2 T50 Torx bolts on the driver's side hinge. Always double-check all connections for security. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.